I disappeared for 5 weeks, no YouTube videos, not burnout, building. Something that changes how I can actually support you. Better Obsidian Vault systems, updated templates and toolkits, and end-to-end workflows and automations, all in one place so you get the updates when I make them. Here's what was broken. You'd visit my Ko-Fi shop, download the files, but then there was no way to access future updates, no downloads portal, and you were missing out on all the improvements that I'd made. That didn't sit right with me. If you support my work, you should get everything, updates, improvements, new iterations automatically. So I built a membership site, self-hosted with Hostinger. When I refine a Vault structure or workflow, you get it instantly. All the templates and toolkit items are in one place now, no more scattered downloads. Monthly memberships are available for every tutorial video ad-free. This allows for focused learning. So this opens up a lot more possibilities. I can offer discounts to members as well as other exclusive member perks. So to summarize, Ko-Fi purchases are no longer one-time purchases. It's ongoing access to everything I build via the membership site. Let me show you what I've been working on and explain to you how the process works. So let me show you what was broken. Here I am on my Ko-Fi shop, and if we scroll down, we can see there is a few free items here. So if I just click on Feel Good Productivity, you can see here that I can put $0 or more and select Get Now. That adds it to the cart, and I can either check out or I can continue shopping and grab another item. So I might want to grab the Obsidian Starter Vault free. So I'll add that to the cart, and now I have 2 free items. So I'll go ahead and check out. Because these are free, I don't need to place a payment. So there you go, I get a little success message, and then I've got access to my content. So we can see here I can view content, and then I can download the Obsidian Starter Kit free and also another file that's included there. And that's the same for the Feel Good Productivity mind map. I can download that. But once I've downloaded my files, there's no way for me to access them later in the future. So if I have a look in the payments and orders, you can see that nothing shows up. Even though these were free items, they should show up here because I've purchased them from Ko-Fi. So my solution now is I have this member site called Paul's Vault Members. So I'm going to log in with the account that I just purchased from Ko-Fi, and that's going to take me to your Vault. And you can see here I've got a dashboard. So if I scroll down, you can see I've got my product library. So I've got the 2 items that I just purchased from Ko-Fi. So if I go into the Obsidian Starter Vault free, that's going to load the product page. And up the top here, I have a download link to the files. Also got a link back to my Vault and a related video link. If we scroll down, we can see we've got the overview, what's included, installation steps, as well as requirements. There's some changelog information of what version this Starter Vault is currently running. So this one is version 1.1, released on the 4th of September 2024. And you can see the changes and the change type there. So if we scroll back up, we can go back to your Vault, and then we can go choose another one of our products from Ko-Fi. We've got one here, Feel Good Productivity Mind Map. So same again, we click Access Now, and we have a access link up the top right. And then if we scroll down, we have the changelog information. So we'll go back to your Vault. Now you see up the top here, we've got 4 links. We've got the first link here, which is premium videos, ad-free learning. At the moment, this is only available for subscribers. So if we scroll down, there's a couple of subscription tiers. So you've got Vault Supporter for $5 a month, and that gives you 10% off all shop items on Ko-Fi or Paul's Vault members. And you also get 50 plus premium Obsidian videos. So all my videos on YouTube without ads. And the $5 will help support the channel. If you want to go up a tier to the Vault Explorer, you get 20% off all shop items on Ko-Fi or Paul's Vault members. You get access to all the premium Obsidian videos, exclusive members perks, and weekly Obsidian trend insights. So they're the 2 tiers at the moment. Once you've unlocked the membership, That will give you access to the premium videos here. And you'll also have the exclusive discounts, which will get unlocked in this section here. If you want to explore more products, but you don't want to shop on Ko-Fi, then you can go to this Explore Products button here, and that will take you to the shop on the actual Poles Vault members. And this has everything that exists on Ko-Fi. You can scroll down and see there's quite a lot of free items there. So if you wanted to grab something else, you could go grab the directory template by hitting see more, and you can see there's a link to add it to the cart here, or you can buy it on Ko-Fi. I'm just going to add this one to the cart. That will put it in my cart. Then I can go check out, and I just need to fill in my details, read the privacy policy, and select place order. That will take you to a thank you page, and you've got access to the directory template. And then there's a bit of information here about where you can access the downloads. So they're always in your vault. So you can either go through this link, or the link up the top here. So I'll just go to this one here, access your vault. And then now we can see the directory template. We can click access now, and we can access our files up the top here. And you can read about what the directory template is. And there's a little bit of a changelog there. There's a related video here, and you can navigate back to your vault. So that's how the shop works. And you'll see here there's N8N automations, Obsidian vaults, toolkits, and templates. There's also a tab for resources. If you want to use Obsidian AI tools, then come in and select Obsidian AI tools. And this is in partnership with Ultimate AI. And if you're not familiar with this service, go check out the video Obsidian AI Tools Explained, complete guide. So it's a very simple membership site, but it's really just so you can access anything that you've purchased through Ko-Fi or the website. And if you're interested in those premium ad-free videos and you want some additional discounts, then feel free to become a subscriber. All of this runs on hosting as a VPS, Poles Vault members, my N8N automations, everything. It's been rock solid so far. They've currently got 64% off plus an extra 10% off with code BLACKFRIDAY. I'll put the link in the description. Full disclaimer, it's my affiliate link, but it will help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.